Horrible things are being said against me in the media. I am not going to say anything right now. As been advised by my lawyers, I shall get justice, is what Rhea Chakraborty, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, who has been now, in fact, been the target of a vicious campaign since the time the parents of Sushant Singh Rajput have filed an FIR against Rhea Chakraborty. Now she has come out and spoken. Let's listen in to what she said on this issue.
I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers, as the matter is sub judice. Satyam Jayate, the truth shall prevail. I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice. Even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media, I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers, as the matter is sub judice. Satyam Jayate, the truth shall prevail.
So an emotional Rhea Chakraborty, in fact, pleading that she's hoping the justice would, in fact, she'll get justice, truth will prevail. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, even in the eyes of the law, of the rule of the judiciary in this country, you are innocent until proven guilty. And that has to be inside a court of law after a proper investigation, not inside the media channels. Meanwhile, now let's shift focus to this big exclusive that India Today has managed to get. That is Ankita Lokhande, former girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who for the first time spoke to the media after the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. Speaking exclusively to India Today, Ankita made some big revelations. She said Sushant was not depressed. In fact, he was highly motivated. She further said it's impossible to believe that a person like Sushant could end his life. Ankita Lokhande also questioned Sushant's girlfriend, Rhea Chakraborty, who you just heard. She said that why did she leave Sushant's house a week before his death? Speaking on the allegations filed by Sushant's family against Rhea Chakraborty, Ankita said she backs the actor's family, saying their allegations against Rhea must have some proof. Listen in to what Ankita Lokhande told India Today.
I knew Sushant so well. I have been with him from last so many years. And I know this guy cannot do it, because when he was there with me, I have always seen him, cheering up other people. If they are feeling low also, he was there to motivate them. How could a person then think about something like this? I don't believe that, because I was not there with him for the last 4 years, but I have seen him for 7 years. I have seen this man for 7 years. He was passionate about his dreams. He was passionate about his life. He was passionate about his dance. He was passionate about his talent. He was passionate about acting. He was so passionate about each and everything in his life. He can't do it. He can't just finish his life. He can't do that. I got to know that she left, on 8th of June. Yeah. And I really have no idea kya hua, kaise hua. Because, see, I'm no one to comment on this. Because that's not my concern. Rhea is not my concern. My concern is Sushant and Sushant's family. Okay. So, definitely she left. And agar aapko pata hai ki he was not well, because if you say so, then why would you leave somebody like that? Aapko fir ya to aapko parents ko batana chahiye that agar main hoti to main ye karti. Nobody saying ki aap raho, but at least inform the family, Yeah. He's not in good state of mind, so be with him. So at least वो करना चाहिए था. ऐसे अकेले नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था. अगर आप इतने confident हो that he was in a depression, and so this is what I would have done. अगर आप किसी पे इल्जाम लगाते हो, तो I'm sure you have so many proofs. They must have something at least, to prove it. They must have something to show people. So after Sushant has left, I feel that on a humanity level, on a family level, I know these people. I have been in touch with them from last 4 years. Okay. I know Shweta Di, Rani Di, but I was not in touch with Sushant. But as a family, I spent my 7 years of life with them. I've given that much of time, affection, love, everything we have shared. So that's my duty, that's my responsibility, towards them also, that I should take a stand. They asked me about the details. They asked me whatever, about Sushant and me and about... Because I had nothing to say but what I've spent with Sushant. Like my 7 years of my life I have spent with Sushant. So I already, जो वो 4 साल में सुशांत था, मुझे तो उसका कुछ अंदाजा ही नहीं है. But हाँ, जो मैंने वक्त बिताया, I definitely told them everything about Sushant, what kind of a person he was, what he wanted always from the life. So I told them everything. But उसके अलावा they statement as in they didn't take any sign from me. I didn't. मतलब मुझे पता है जाता statements you sign somewhere. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. But हाँ, details के मतलब detailing में बात हुई है. Even with Mumbai police also and with Patna police also.
That's Ankita Lokhande. You heard Rhea Chakraborty as well. In fact, right now saying that she's hoping that the truth will soon come out. Now the major twist or the major focal point of this investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case is on the money trail. Now, Enforcement Directorate has registered a case of money laundering against Rhea Chakraborty. They are trying to, in fact, investigate, look into the entire money aspect of this mystery that now becomes the focus point in Sushant Singh Rajput's unfortunate demise. Take a look.
It is well documented. There's nothing hidden in his bank statements.
From the insider versus outsider debate, the Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case has seen another twist. The center of the probe is now the money trail. After Sushant's family claimed that 15 crore rupees were siphoned off from the late actor's accounts by his girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty, the Enforcement Directorate has registered a money laundering case. Rhea is named as an accused in the ED case. Sushant's chartered accountant, however, disputes the claims made by the actor's family. Speaking exclusively to India Today, he says no major money transfers was made to Rhea.
I have been handling his account for 1 year now. There has been no major transactions in the last financial year. I have provided all the details to the police. I don't, from the accounts it doesn't seem like, for the last 1 year at least. There has been no drop or transfers in his account in the last year. Whatever net worth he had at the start of the year still remains at the end of the year.
Giving details of his finances, Sushant's chartered accountant said his expenditure last year included around 4.87 lakh rupees on travel with Rhea. Sushant's family had also claimed that Rhea took away Sushant's cash, jewelry and credit cards. The actor and his girlfriend Rhea were linked to 3 firms. Rhea's brother Shovik was a director in one of the 3 firms.
In connection with the case registered against Rhea Chakraborty, the Patna police team has recorded statements of several witnesses and have sought bank details of Sushant Singh's bank accounts. Meanwhile, Anil Deshmukh, Home Minister of Maharashtra, said that there was no need of the case to be transferred to CBI as Mumbai police was capable of investigations. Today, Sushil Modi, Minister from Bihar, tweeted and said that the Mumbai police weren't cooperating with Patna police and the case should be transferred to CBI. With camera person Kiran Sapkal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.